The MPS Tema Port Terminal 3 is located in Ghana's industrial city, Tema. In a year, it receives over 1 million TEUs of containers and services over 40 vessels per month. MPS employs over 450 staff and engages numerous contractors and service providers who all work safely in the MPS terminal. There is a zero-tolerance policy for alcohol and drug use. In line with health and safety requirements, first aid and ambulance services is available to all workers on the terminal. The use of large heavy equipment makes the terminal a risky platform, and a pedestrian-free yard environment must be maintained. Pay attention to your environment and be highly vigilant during your visit. Follow all safety instructions, rules and signs. Always wear personal protective equipment if you are planning to attend operational areas. PPE, personal protective equipment, includes the helmet, high visibility vest, and safety shoes. The terminal has in place a traffic flow management system to ensure smooth movement of trucks and pedestrians within the terminal. The main gate complex, administrative buildings, technical buildings, workshops and stores can be found on maps located around the terminal. Transportation and suspended loads are the most significant risks in the terminal. They cause more than 60% of incidents. Pay attention to the surrounding motions. Never walk or stand under a suspended load. Do not exceed the speed limit of 30 km per hour. Stay safe and walk only in authorized areas, and make sure to be accompanied by adequate staff. The terminal is a smoking-free area. Do not smoke inside the building and operational areas. Smoking areas are clearly indicated. In case of any doubt, don't hesitate to inquire from members of staff for help. Respecting instructions is the only guarantee that you will come back home safe. Trucks entering the terminal must adhere to the speed limit. They must be equipped with a twist lock for containers and must all have mandatory DVLA requirements. To be able to enter the gates, all trucks must be equipped with an RFID sticker and should be labeled clearly on top of the cabin. Access to the terminal is guided by the ISPS code and regulations. There are 2 security filters, the GPHA and MPS security teams. Upon entering the facilities and identifying yourself with a valid ID, you will receive a visitor's badge. Keep it visible during your visit and show it when requested. Information has value not only to us, but also to you and your partners. Breach of confidentiality can lead to loss of business, loss of customer satisfaction, and legal issues. Information needs to be protected to sustain value and ensure the interest of all stakeholders. No photography is allowed in and around the terminal without permission. MPS is engaged to minimize the impact of our operation on the environment, to improve our energy efficiency, and to make our industry go green. All our buildings will be certified for excellence in design for greater efficiencies. We are committed to protect the environment by preventing oil and fuel spills and to manage our waste wisely. If you hear emergency alarms, don't panic. Follow these instructions. Stay calm. Stop everything you are doing. Follow the emergency exit to the nearest meeting point. Always follow the instructions for evacuation to a safe location. The location of meeting points includes the administrative building, the in-gate, the workshop, and the quayside. If you witness any unsafe act or condition, inform the person in charge. You may save a life. Our emergency numbers 054 4310 010, 030 708 5000, or VHF Channel 1. We appreciate your collaboration to reinforce safety inside the terminal.